Do crypto coins have to be expensive? Well, the answer is no. It all boils down to tokenomics, and there are lots of coins out there that are priced below $1. And this is typically done intentionally because that under $1 price point tends to attract a lot of investors. And it is kind of irrational, but it's appealing at some level psychologically, right? Because if you have a cheaply priced token, $100 gets you over 100 coins. Whereas even though it's the same value, $100, for example, of BTC, that's only going to get you a handful of Satoshis. It doesn't feel satisfying in the same way. So look, the disclaimer is always to check those tokenomics, but some of these, in fact, are pretty good deals. Some of them have low enough market caps that they have massive growth potential. And we're looking at 4 of these sub $1 altcoins in this video that stand to do very, very well in this crypto bull run. Welcome to the channel. My name is Maddie and this is Altcoin Buzz. All the best of luck to you if you choose to invest. I certainly wish you well, but I'm not a financial or investment advisor, so just remember that this video is not official financial or investment advice. All right, and the first project that we're looking at in today's video is PYTH Network, ticker PYTH. We've looked at this one before. This is an oracle that actually calls Solana its home. As you probably know, if you've been watching our videos at least, oracles are critical in a blockchain environment. And the reason for this is simple. Blockchains cannot communicate with the outside world. Now, you can understand that this is a critical feature. Blockchains need this real world information so they can do what they're made for. For example, blockchains need things like financial information, so prices of cryptocurrencies or other assets like bonds, gold, fiat, stocks, commodities, whatever. Other data like sporting results and statistics. There are plenty of betting sites out there. They, of course, want the latest football, cycling, tennis results, whatever, lots of other sports too. And also environmental sustainability, offer rewards to people who take part in green initiatives. There are all kinds of examples of data out there, but that data has to be fed effectively into the blockchains. And this is by no means an exhaustive list. There are many more things to which oracles supply information. However, PYTH Network in particular is active in the financial sector. That's kind of its jam. It delivers real-time market data, for instance, for things like crypto, equities, foreign exchange, FX, and commodities. Its oracles connect 55 blockchains and services to over 350 dApps. It also has over 90 million updates per day, meaning it's fast, it's nonstop, it's very precise, and the updates that are provided are secure all day long. The current price of PYTH sits at 37.7 cents with a $1.374 billion market cap. Now, being on Solana may be a bonus factor for PYTH as well. That's depending on your preference, a possible variable that you may be interested in, maybe not, but either way, keep an eye on this one. We're still a good ways down from its all-time high, about 60% or so down. CoinEx is one of the best exchanges that you probably haven't heard of. Just like Gate.io or MEXC, they offer a lot of coins. But of course, most importantly, they offer the high-quality coins that you actually want. In fact, over 800 coins in over 1,200 trading pairs are available. And if you like futures or perpetuals trading, then CoinEx has a great offer for you. This is ongoing. It started on June 6th, and you can share in a prize pool of up to 15,000 USDT. All you have to do is trade at least 15,000 USDT in futures to qualify. So if you want to trade futures, set up your account on CoinEx today and earn some extra USDT as you do so. Check out the link for more information. I will include that in the description of this video below. Okay, next up, and at number 2 here on our list, we're looking at Mantra Chain. Ticker is OM. And with the selection, we're looking at the RWA sector, real world assets. In a nutshell, RWA is about tokenizing real-world assets, to be a little bit more specific. So, for example, you can tokenize things like real estate, commodities, US bonds, precious metals. You can pretty much tokenize anything from the real world that you can think of, anything to which we attribute value. And then once it's tokenized, an asset becomes more affordable. A simple example is real estate. Not all of us can afford a $1 million house. However, we can afford a fractionalized asset and own a smaller part of that $1 million house. We can own $100 worth, $1,000 worth, $10,000 worth, whatever. I mean, it just depends on how you want to split it up ultimately. You can find Mantra Chain in the Cosmos ecosystem. Now, it's no secret that this is one of our favorite crypto ecosystems. Since Cosmos is the layer 0 chain, Mantra Chain is a layer 1 chain. So it attempts to bridge the gap between TradFi, traditional finance, and DeFi, decentralized finance. This also means that it's soon going to be part of the map of zones. Now, the current price of OM sits at 84.39 cents with a $702 million market cap. It's up something like 3,000% over the course of the last year. You can see that since January 2023, this has been on a pretty meteoric rise. So there is definitely some excitement building up around this one. Keep an eye again on Mantra, ticker OM.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
At number 3 here, we are looking at SingularityNET AGIX, AGIX, which of course is super active in the AI sector. And of course, just like the RWA sector, artificial intelligence is one of the main pillars of this crypto bull run. The big news for SingularityNET is its imminent merger with two other great projects, Fetch.ai and Ocean Protocol. This is actually something that's already underway. It started on the 11th of June, and it's now complete. It was completed on the 13th of June. The new project's name is Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. And so as a result, there's going to be a new coin as well. The ticker for that will be ASI. The token migration has started with FET on the 11th of June at a 1-to-1 ratio. On the 13th of June, we saw AGIX and Ocean converting. That's 1 to 0.433226. That's the ratio. SingularityNET offers the migration token contract, which truly sets a new tone and a new bar for a massive new AI platform, which could be a game changer. Web3 adoption for AI and data might receive a massive boost here as a result. And it is going to be by far the world's largest independent AI foundation. The current price of AGIX sits right now at 66.1, let's call that cents, with a market cap of $856 million. This is going to change soon, again, with the merger, so keep an eye out for that ASI token, which, by the way, will have 2.63055 billion tokens. Okay, and last but not least here, we are looking at Oasis Network. Ticker is ROSE, R-O-S-E. And with this, we move into the privacy and AI sectors. We're kind of at the convergence of those two areas. Privacy is a common right that we also need in blockchains. As you may know, blockchains are pseudonymous and not anonymous. There is a difference there. In other words, transactions are visible on chain. However, there's no name per se attached to a transaction or wallet. But on the other hand, it's not too difficult to attach a name to a wallet with a little bit of sleuthing, with a little bit of digital forensics. And so that means on-chain privacy really is due. Oasis Network offers a sliding scale when it comes to this privacy. You can move between 100% public or 100% private and anywhere in between. Oasis also offers cross-chain options on any EVM chain. And for this, it offers the Oasis privacy layer. And you can apply the Oasis privacy in plenty of use cases. So for example, in decentralized AI, this is one of the focus points of the Oasis network. And there are plenty of use cases inside this AI privacy sector. And other use cases include DeFi, gaming, account abstraction, DAOs, digital IDs or DIDs, and even NFTs. So as you can see, there are plenty of opportunities for Oasis to make its mark. And the current price of ROSE, R-O-S-E, as I record, sits at 12.22 cents with a market cap of $837 million. Now, in the last 7 days, actually, it's been on the upswing here. And you can see that over the course of the last year, it's also done pretty well, better than a lot of other altcoin projects. It's up close to 200% or so in the last year.